When the Queen's death was announced, we were on board a cruise ship sailing around Norway. All of a sudden, everything stopped.
Please may I have your attention for a very, very important announcement. I am deeply saddened to inform you that Her Majesty, Queen Elizabeth II, has sadly passed away at her home in Balmoral.
This is everything that changed after we heard the news.
She will be a huge loss to the country and to the Commonwealth. Everyone at MSC Cruises, everybody on board MSC Virtuosa, are deeply saddened by the news.
This is really not what I imagined doing on our holiday. This is a bit of a weird evening. It's our penultimate evening on board. There was supposed to be an amazing party tonight, the White Night, so everyone was dressed up in white, and then as we were heading to dinner, we heard the news that the Queen had died. Most of the people on board are British. There's a mix, but like you felt the entire mood change. Obviously she's not been very well for a while, but we are both absolutely in shock, and the whole ship is, and it's really quite a somber mood tonight. So I'd say probably about 50% of people have gone back and changed into black, which I just think is just so respectful and so thoughtful. This is the most black thing I own, so I've changed into that. And then I think we're just gonna go to a bar, get a drink. All of the entertainment tonight, obviously White Party's been cancelled, and then all of the singers are singing slower songs. The whole ship's kind of in mourning in everyone's own way, and it's kind of weird to be on holiday and just feel the change of the mood, but like they've done so well. And when they announced that they cancelled the White Party, everyone gave a round of applause in the dining room, which I just thought was so lovely.
We will not proceed with our White Party this evening. We don't feel it is an appropriate moment for this event. Thank you for your kind understanding. Thank you.
But they've turned the ceiling in the Galleria into one giant Union Jack. They've just announced a minute's silence in honour of the Queen, and I think she responded. Look at this. I've never seen a rainbow go from end to end or be so vivid. We haven't really done much with our last day because it's been a bit of a weird one. It's been, you know, a case of what do you do without disrespecting the Queen? And so there's not really been much on. We're off to go and watch the farewell Thanksgiving from the new Queen, new King.
Dear guests, officers, staff and crew, let us take a moment to pause the vows in honor of the passing of Her Royal Highness Queen Elizabeth II, who sadly passed away yesterday. Thank you.
And we've paid our tribute very, very well on board, and I'm sure they agree, yes. We've done a great job. We're going to give our Queen a wonderful send-off on board, and we'll continue to do that next week.